Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's daily life English conversation practice lesson, we will focus on how to speak English naturally, just like people do in real everyday situations. You will listen to a realistic and continuous conversation that shows how English sounds when it is spoken calmly, comfortably, and without pressure. This lesson will help you understand how to express your thoughts naturally, use simple and clear sentences, and sound more relaxed and confident in real-life English conversations. If you enjoy learning English through natural and practical conversations, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others who are learning English, and leave a comment below. Now, let's get started and practice how to speak English naturally.
It feels really comfortable sitting here and talking like this, especially because conversations like these remind me that English doesn't have to feel forced or artificial.
I agree. Because when we speak naturally, the language feels lighter and more enjoyable instead of stressful.
I used to think speaking English naturally meant using advanced words, but now I realize it's more about sounding relaxed and real.
That realization changes everything. Because natural English is more about flow than complexity.
When I stopped trying to impress people with difficult sentences, my English started to sound much smoother.
That happens because natural speech comes from comfort, not from showing knowledge.
These days, I try to speak the way I think, even if my sentences are simple.
Simple thoughts spoken clearly often sound the most natural.
I've noticed that when I relax my shoulders and breathe normally, my English sounds better.
Physical relaxation affects speech more than people realize.
Before, I would plan every sentence in my head, and it made my speech slow and unnatural.
Overplanning blocks natural rhythm and makes conversations feel stiff.
Now I allow my sentences to come out naturally, even if they're not perfect.
Imperfect but natural speech is how real communication happens.
I also stopped translating word by word from my native language.
Thinking directly in English helps your speech sound smoother and more natural.
Sometimes I pause to think, but I don't panic anymore when that happens.
Pauses are normal in natural speech and often make you sound thoughtful.
I've realized that native speakers pause a lot too.
Exactly. Natural English includes pauses, restarts, and small corrections.
I feel more confident now that I allow myself to sound human instead of perfect.
Sounding human makes conversations warmer and more engaging.
I try to use everyday expressions instead of formal textbook language.
Everyday expressions make your English sound more natural and friendly.
Talking about daily life helps me stay relaxed while speaking.
Daily topics create natural rhythm and vocabulary.
I've learned that natural English often uses shorter sentences connected together.
Yes, long perfect sentences are rare in real conversations.
I also notice how tone changes meaning more than grammar.
Tone carries emotion, which is a big part of natural speech.
Listening to real conversations helped me understand how English actually sounds.
Real listening teaches natural pacing and expressions.
I try to copy the rhythm, not the accent.
Rhythm matters much more than sounding native.
I speak more naturally when I focus on sharing ideas instead of speaking correctly.
Communication always comes before correctness.
I've stopped correcting myself in the middle of sentences.
Letting sentences finish keeps the natural flow.
When I make a mistake, I just continue calmly.
Calm continuation sounds confident and natural.
Speaking naturally also means being okay with repetition.
Repetition is common in natural speech and helps clarity.
I've noticed native speakers repeat ideas in different ways.
That's how people naturally check understanding.
I feel more comfortable expressing emotions now.
Emotions make language feel alive.
I don't try to sound serious all the time anymore.
Relaxed language feels more natural.
Smiling while speaking really changes how my English sounds.
Smiling softens your voice and makes speech friendly.
Natural English feels slower than I expected.
Yes. Clear and calm speech always sounds more natural.
I stopped rushing because rushing made me nervous.
Slowing down gives your brain time to respond naturally.
I enjoy conversations more now because I'm not judging myself.
Self-acceptance creates natural fluency.
I focus more on the person I'm speaking with.
Connection helps words come naturally.
Conversations feel more like sharing than practicing.
That mindset makes English feel real.
I've noticed that natural English uses simple linking words.
Words like so, well, and actually are very natural.
Using those small words makes my speech sound smoother.
They help thoughts flow naturally.
I also allow myself to change direction while speaking.
Natural speech often changes direction mid-sentence.
I don't panic when I forget a word anymore.
Explaining ideas differently keeps speech natural.
I feel more relaxed speaking in public places now.
Public speaking builds real-life naturalness.
English sounds more natural when I speak from experience.
Personal experiences create authentic language.
I try to sound like myself, not like a textbook.
Being yourself is the key to natural English.
I feel more confident expressing opinions.
Opinions make conversations interesting.
I'm okay with my accent now.
Accents are part of natural identity.
I speak more freely when I stop comparing myself to others.
Comparison blocks natural expression.
Natural English feels flexible, not strict.
Flexibility allows communication to flow.
I've learned that mistakes don't ruin conversations.
Most people don't even notice small mistakes.
I feel present instead of tense now.
Presence makes speech sound genuine.
I enjoy how conversations develop naturally.
Natural development keeps people engaged.
I no longer fear silence in conversations.
Silence is part of natural communication.
I've noticed my listening skills have improved too.
Listening and natural speaking grow together.
I respond more naturally when I truly listen.
Listening creates better responses.
English feels more emotional now, not mechanical.
Emotion brings language to life.
I allow myself to laugh and react naturally.
Natural reactions make conversations real.
Speaking English feels enjoyable now.
Enjoyment is the foundation of natural fluency.
I've realized that natural English isn't fast, it's comfortable.
Comfort makes speech sound smooth and confident.
I trust my instincts when choosing words.
Instinctive choices sound natural.
I let my sentences be imperfect but real.
Real language connects people.
Conversations feel less planned and more alive.
Alive conversations keep listeners engaged.
I feel calm even in longer conversations now.
Calmness supports natural rhythm.
English has become part of my daily thinking.
Thinking in English creates natural flow.
I speak naturally when I stop worrying about time.
Rushing never sounds natural.
I feel comfortable changing my words mid-sentence.
That's very natural in real speech.
I don't try to sound formal unless necessary.
Casual language is often more natural.
I enjoy how English fits into my daily life now.
That's when real improvement happens.
I've learned that natural English grows slowly.
Slow growth is strong growth.
I feel proud of sounding more natural.
Pride builds confidence.
I don't worry about sounding perfect.
Perfection isn't natural.
I speak with more expression now.
Expression makes speech engaging.
English feels comfortable in my voice.
Comfort creates fluency.
I've stopped memorizing long sentences.
Natural speech isn't memorized.
I focus on meaning, not form.
Meaning creates communication.
I sound more confident naturally.
Confidence comes from comfort.
I enjoy expressing myself freely.
Freedom improves speech.
Natural English feels personal.
Personal language feels real.
I trust myself to communicate naturally.
Trust builds strong speech.
I feel less pressure when speaking now.
Less pressure leads to better fluency.
Conversations flow without effort.
Flow comes with practice.
I enjoy learning through conversation.
Conversation is the best teacher.
English feels like part of who I am now.
That's natural fluency.
I'm proud of my progress.
Progress deserves recognition.
I'm excited to keep speaking naturally.
Excitement fuels learning.
I enjoy the process now.
Enjoyment sustains growth.
Conversations feel meaningful.
Meaning keeps people listening.
Language feels alive to me now.
Alive language connects people.
I believe anyone can speak English naturally.
Natural speech grows with use.
I wish I had relaxed earlier.
Relaxation is key.
I no longer fear mistakes.
Mistakes guide learning.
English feels friendly now.
Friendly language feels natural.
I feel free when I speak.
Freedom creates confidence.
I appreciate every conversation I have.
Appreciation supports growth.
I notice improvement daily.
Daily use brings results.
Speaking naturally feels possible.
Possibility creates confidence.
I feel ready for any conversation.
Readiness comes with experience.
English no longer feels heavy.
Lightness creates flow.
I trust the learning process.
Trust allows growth.
I express myself honestly.
Honesty sounds natural.
I feel comfortable being myself in English.
Authenticity strengthens communication.
Conversations feel natural now.
Natural speech comes from use.
I'm glad I didn't give up.
Persistence always works.
Speaking English naturally feels achievable.
Achievable goals build confidence.
English is part of my everyday life.
That's real fluency.
I look forward to conversations.
Excitement fuels progress.
I feel confident speaking naturally.
Confidence grows with practice.
Thank you for sharing this conversation with me and being part of this experience.
You're welcome, and remember that speaking English naturally comes from using it every day.